Hello everyone, today we are going to learn 5 important tips for writing research proposal. Define a research question and problem. This is the foundation of your research proposal, ensuring a focused and achievable study. Conduct a thorough literature review. Demonstrate your understanding of existing research on the topic, identifying gaps and justifying the need for your study. Choose an appropriate methodology. Select the methods that align with your research question and objectives clearly, explaining data collection techniques. Consider ethical implications. Explain how you adhere to ethical guidelines, including informed consent, participant privacy, and potential risk. Create a timeline and budget. Your research proposal timeline and budget clearly outline the key stages of your project, allocating timeframes and cost for each phases. Follow for more and call us if you have any queries regarding